Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss medical entomology introduction, coursework and job careers. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, we will define medical entomology. What is medical entomology? Medical entomology is a branch of entomology mostly focused on insect and arthropods that influence human health. It's also known as veterinary entomology. Now, question is where to go for medical entomology study. Medical entomology degree offered by private and public universities and colleges at bachelor, master and PhD level. Now, we will discuss most prominent medical entomology coursework which mostly include Principles of Entomology, Insect, Pest and Vector Management, Medical and Veterinary Entomology, Insect and Wildlife, Medical Entomology for Disease Control, Mosquito Biology. Now we will discuss about job careers in medical entomology. Number 1 is healthcare department, where you can work as a quarantine inspector, medical technician, coordinator or as a senior health policy maker. Number 2 is armed forces, including Navy, Air Force or Army, where you can work as a medical entomologist to protect troops from infectious diseases. Number 3 is pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical company also hire a medical entomologist to conduct research and present new products for professionals in medical communities. Number 4 is Disease Research Institute, where you can work as a research associate, senior researcher in Government Disease Research Center. Number 5 is Educational Institution. Medical entomologists are employed by private and public universities as a professor, as a lecturer or teaching assistant. Number 6 is pesticide company. Medical entomologists are also hired by chemical companies to help develop new pesticide which will be effectively decrease insect pest population. Number 7 is UNO, under World Health Organization program. You can work as a coordinator or disease monitoring supervisor. Number 8 is private end use, where you can work as a supervisor or coordinator in healthcare related end use. Number 9 is veterinary entomologists. They mostly deal with arthropods, pests and vector of disease agent to livestock, poultry, pets and wildlife. Number 10 is Pest Control Advisor. You can work in government agencies or private consultant. This is the end of our today's video. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned with us for next more informative video.